ConsciousnessMap, mapping your internal universe. Yes, there is a lot more than you can see from the outside. Exploring, understanding, accepting, embracing the inner you. Hello, this is Dr. David Illig of ConsciousnessMap. A universe of resources to be valued and utilized. What is ConsciousnessMap? You want to know, and we want to tell you. ConsciousnessMap is a tool that will help you to have a more successful, satisfying, and happy life. It will give you a better understanding of yourself as well as others. More importantly, it will give you a tool that will enable you to grow, improve, heal, better yourself and the world. From the outside, we see one person, one body. The person does things. The person says things. That is what we can measure. Almost a century ago, fields like psychology and medicine decided that they weren't ready yet to study, research, and analyze what goes on inside that we can't measure or see. They were also concerned about respect and credibility in the sciences. They also had concerns about billing and money. They absolutely had plans to eventually study and work with the internal material. The problem is, it hasn't happened yet, at least not much. This person can tell you something about what is inside her, but you can't clearly see it. It is even hard for her to keep track of all the things inside herself. And haven't we always wondered what it is like inside somebody else, compared to what it is like living inside ourselves? I wonder what it's like inside him. I wonder what it's like inside her. I wonder what it's like to be them. But you know there is an entire world, an entire universe inside yourself. There is a there. You have lived in that internal universe your whole life, and we almost never talk about what's in there and what is it like. The very essence of being a human is, what is it like in here? And yet, It is the best kept secret and the least talked about or studied place on our planet. Has anyone ever asked you, what's it like in there? Has anybody ever asked you if you want to know what it's like inside them? Probably not. Everybody has a there. We pretend that we don't, and they pretend they don't, but we all do. So, why are we surprised that we don't understand ourselves? Why are we surprised that we don't understand them? And they don't understand us? Somewhere inside you, you do have an imagination. So if you try, you can imagine that there are alien anthropologists. Yes, they could be from Star Trek, who have the job of studying humans on Earth and reporting back what they learn about us. And the alien anthropologists have the advantage of not being human. Therefore, they can see things more clearly, and they aren't blinded to the things that we are blind to just because we are human. And they have studied many other planets like Earth and other intelligent species. Supposedly, that's us. And describing and studying what is it like to be human would require them to study and describe what is it like in there. What is it like inside for you? And they would be amazed how little we talk about it, write about it, study it, work with it, even admit it exists. Aliens would think that we are hiding our inner experience, even pretending it doesn't exist, actually denying that it exists. There are many reasons why humans don't discuss or work with our inner worlds. We are afraid. We don't have any tools. And nobody teaches us about it. And almost nobody admits there is a there. So we need to change that. So we need some tools. And what is a tool that we need when we're going into a strange new world? We need a map. We need a way to map out the territory. We need to locate and place things on the map. And that is what ConsciousnessMap is about. ConsciousnessMap is a tool for mapping our internal world, our internal universe. It uses gaming technology to create both 2D and 3D graphic organizers of our inner world. It will give us a place, a location, to put everything and anything. ConsciousnessMap will provide education and teaching about what are the numerous components inside of us humans, including what's inside you. ConsciousnessMap will help you to better work with things that are inside yourself. All the things. ConsciousnessMap will help you explore your inner world. ConsciousnessMap will also help you work with your inner world. It does that by allowing you to build environments, settings, places that represent aspects, issues, processes, history, experiences, conflicts, resources, and so on. Everything inside you, in a way you can deal with. CMAP will help you to understand so much of what goes on inside us that makes life feel bad or feel good. It will help you heal more deeply the many wounds all humans have. ConsciousnessMap is a valuable tool to use with a variety of therapy approaches. And yes, CMAP will help you to make positive changes inside and out. ConsciousnessMap, CMAP, will help you to better understand why you do what you do or don't do, and to feel more the ways you would like to feel. Turn on the next video, Brain Mind, to learn about the underlying structure of human consciousness, the human mind and brain. Understanding more about your consciousness will help you to understand your internal maps. It will help you to understand yourself. It will help you to better understand ConsciousnessMap and appreciate it more and want to use it a lot. You'll find it to be a very valuable tool. Most importantly, it will help you to value and appreciate your vast self. This is Dr. David Illig of ConsciousnessMap. check out www.consciousnessmap.com.